One of the craziest questions that people ask me is, what is your price per square foot? Kind of a dumb question. How much does a car cost per pound? And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because when you look on this back living space here, we have as much square foot of concrete and pavers, stamped concrete porch areas as we do on basically the first floor of the house. So we're standing here at the outdoor kitchen with the outdoor grill, the countertop, the stone. There's a refrigerator back here and more storage space. This becomes a big entertainment area here for this particular home, but on all the homes that we build that have outdoor kitchens, this is a huge center point because a lot of times you're grilling, you're standing there talking to people. This allows the space for people to pull up a chair, kind of hang out. The other thing we did with this house, since it does have a pool and such a big focus on the backyard and outdoor living spaces, we have a pool house or a pool bathroom that we have that is right inside these doors. And this makes it, this is very, very popular, something we do right now, but they also have a washer and dryer, a changing room, and then they also have the bathroom that's accessible from directly to the outdoor. So we talk about bringing the outside in and the inside out. We have our large Pella folding doors. And in this particular house, this is a 18-foot opening. And as we come into that, we talk about bringing the great room and bringing the outside in and the inside out. This is the rear covered porch, the great room, the kitchen, and the dining room. This is something that we do a lot in all of our homes, even when it's a two-story like this, where it becomes a little bit more challenging to have different bearing points for the second floor. We still are able to do it. And what we want is when you walk in the front door, you see our awesome stairs at some point that are specifically designed around the home. And then you see this great space that as you come back to the great room, the kitchen, the dining area, opening up out into the rear covered porch. On this rear covered porch, this has automatic screens that will go up and down. And we always tell everybody, this gets you probably another 2.5 months out of the year, 3 months out of the year of usable space back here because you have a fireplace. This house in particular, we put some really cool electric heaters up here. And it's going to allow for these people to be able to use this and use their pool longer and use this 8 acres that we have here in Liberty Township a little bit longer throughout the year.